have the Samsung Galaxy S24. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn on 5G. Now, I'm using the S24 Ultra, but this works on all the Galaxy S24s. So go to Settings. On the main settings page, go to Connections, and then go to Mobile Networks, and then look for Network Mode. So I have network mode for one of my SIM cards and network mode for the other SIM card. Now you have to enable this or turn this on in the separately for the two different SIM cards in case you have a dual SIM setup. So tap on network mode. So I'll tap for SIM 1, and you can see it's limited to LTE, which is 4G. Now, if I want my phone to connect to 5G networks when it's available, I'll enable this option. So this option basically means it can connect to 5G, 4G, 3G, and 2G. Okay, that's basically just turning on 5G. Same goes for my other SIM card. I'll also turn on 5G and then hit the back button. And that is basically how to enable or how to turn on 5G on your Galaxy S24. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.